Alright, what's good, y'all? Today I'm not as hype, not really in the greatest mood, but we're about to look at ABX flex slash difference slash vibe. So I'm guessing he's doing those three routines. We're about to go ahead and look at it, and I think he's from India, one of the best. So let's go ahead, international. Should I put captions? Oh, Spanish.
Flex. 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 Everybody flex like flex. Flex.
I like that.
Flex.
Very simple. Okay. Something off guard. Is he doing that bass? Oh no, okay. That must have been edited. Whoa! I like that.
Flex. 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 You ain't ready for this. Drop it low.
What the? Okay, I'm guessing that was flex. I'm guessing that was flex, and that was a lot. All right, it started off simple. He did like 20 sounds I haven't even heard of, and also, have you guys noticed his eyes are like a little bit, what's it called, cross-eyed, or it might just be me. I don't know if he's doing that cover. Like so many.
Drop it low.
Like what? Yeah, very good. I like flex. Now let's see difference. Is he at the same location? Oh, black and white.
And you dream that sound, and you get that sound. It makes a difference. It's the difference. It makes a difference.
Oh, that's a different alien.
Ready for this? Yeah. Okay.
Damn, he's into it. Okay, his versatility, or I don't know the word for it.
When I get the sound.
ASMR.
I wanna get this man. Wanna get this on?
Hey! What's that?
Okay, like I do.
ASMR.
Wanna get the song? Okay, wanna get the drum. Wanna get the drum. Wanna get the drum. Wanna get the.
What is this? Vibe.
Okay.
The camera work though.
Okay. Feel the vibe. It makes a difference.
Yeah, Difference is my favorite, man. What I'm listening to right now. Yeah, I want to go back. Like, what were some notable parts? I think Vibe, he did something interesting, like, around here.
Okay, like I do.
I don't know if it was there. Or was it here? Yeah. That looked like it took a lot of effort if you look at his face. But I don't know. I can't do that sound. But yeah, hey, I like looking at this. ABX, bro, he got a lot of different sounds. Hey, that's interesting. I'm down to look at more Beatbox International. There's so much variety there, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next video. And yeah, I'm out.